Hi, in the previous video, we were talking about joining strings. In this video, we'll be talking about splitting them. We'll discuss two methods here, split and split lines. Let's start with the former. Here we have the method split with two optional parameters, sub and max split. Now, the method split splits a string into a list of substrings using the sub delimiter character as the position to split. The delimiter is not included in the result. If no delimiter is given, it defaults to white space. Now, the optional parameter max split is used to limit the number of splits. Now, let's have a look at this example. Text. This text is so long. Why not have a list of shorter ones? Now, let's split this text. Text split. Now, if there are no arguments, like here, the whole string is split on the white spaces. So these white spaces are the delimiter characters. And what we get is a list of substrings. This, text, is, and so on. So it's split on the white spaces. And now let's split on the period. What we have to do is pass the period as the delimiter character. So what we get now is this text is so long. Why not have a list of shorter ones? As you can see, this period character is not included here. And now let's split on each lowercase t. So text split t. What we get is this. This x is so long and so on. Now, all the t characters are missing here because they are the delimiter characters which are not included. Now, let's split on the white spaces, but let's limit the number of splits to 3. So, here's what we need. This is the delimiter character, white space, and this is the number of splits. So, what we get is this. We get 3 substrings split on the delimiter and another substring containing the rest of the string. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, this is the rest of the string. Now let's limit the number of splits to 1. So again, very similar, split, white space, 1. So what we get is this string over here and the rest of the string. Now the other method, split lines. The method split lines splits a string on the new lines. If the optional parameter num is true, the line breaks are also included. Let's have a look. Here we have a string. Here we have some new line characters just to see how it works. So this is what we have. Text split lines. So here we have new line character, some new line character, characters just to new line character. See how it works. If there is an argument that evaluates to true, the line breaks are included. So let's do it like so. Text split lines with 1, which evaluates to true. What we get now is the same substrings, but this time with the new line characters included. Or we could just pass true, and we have the same result. If the argument evaluates to false, the line breaks are not included. So 0 evaluates to false, so this time the new line characters are not included. It also works for multi-line strings. Let's have a multi-line string like this. It's a poem. And now let's split it using the split lines method. So poem split lines, and this is what we get. An empty string because here we have a new line. There was a young lady of Lynn. You have a new line again, who was so exceedingly thin. New line again, and so on. We can also pass true as the argument. Poem, split lines, true. And this time we'll also get the new line characters, like the first one here, and here, and here, and so on. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.